So, in this video, I want to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to write a lyrics. Okay, how you can use ChatGPT to write a full song. We quite know that to write a good song consumes time. To have a good lyrics takes more time. So, but with the use of ChatGPT, this has been really made easier. In this video, we'll be doing a proper breakdown on how to use ChatGPT to write a lyrics. So let's get started. For those who are not familiar with ChatGPT, ChatGPT is an AI. It is called an open AI, which helps which it's an artificial intelligence which help you solve your problems within few seconds. So if this is the first time you're using ChatGPT, head straight to chat.openai.com and start and sign up to get started. So we'll just once we are done signing up, this is where we're going to land, and once we are logged in, we're going to be here as well. So let's take for instance, we are planning to write a song for our girlfriend. Let's say you message ChatGPT and say, write a love song, write a love song for my girlfriend, which we have been dating for the past 5 years. You send it. Let's wait for ChatGPT. You can see it has given us verse one. So I will be doing a rehearsal. Actually, I am not a good singer, but just to express how all these things works. So let's start with verse one. Let me sing something. Please pardon me. Something like, "It's been 5 years since we first met, and every moment with you I won't forget. You light up my life, make my heart skip and beat. My love for you is undeniable and sweet." Pardon me, my chorus. Let's use chorus. "Oh, my love, my darling, I'm so grateful you mine. Together we keep shining. Our love will never decline." So you just try to do a few adjustments and you are good to go. So if you are a good singer, with this approach, you will be able to write a great song with the use of ChatGPT. So let's take for instance, you were not cool with this. All what you do is you come down straight here and click on regenerate response. So when you do regenerate response, ChatGPT will know that you are not cool with these lyrics. It will come up with a new kind of song that is different from the first one you saw. Okay, now another one comes in. It say, "5 years have gone by, my love, since the day we met, and every moment since then, I have felt like the luckiest." So let's say you're a rapper, you can say, "5 years have gone by me, my love. Since the day we met, every moment has been done. I felt being like I saw something like that." You get it? Pardon me, please. But the real message is teaching you how you can write a full song with the use of ChatGPT. If you find this video very helpful, endeavor to click on the subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, endeavor to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next we drop videos like this. Thank you for your time and